Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick and easy pistachio and pineapple delight. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Okay, to our bowl we're going to add our pistachio pudding along with our crushed pineapple and 1/4 of a cup of pineapple juice. The same one that we're going to be using for our salad. We're going to whisk it all together. Just allow it to activate and thicken up. Make sure to dissolve it completely. Okay, I'm going to give it a couple minutes and then we can add the rest of our ingredients. Okay, so after a couple minutes, I'm going to add our pineapple along with the cherries, marshmallow, pecans, and coconut flakes. It's going to mix it all together. And of course, if you don't like something, you don't have to add it, or you can always substitute it for something else. So just make sure that you mix it completely. And lastly, we're going to add our Cool Whip. Just gonna slowly mix it all together again. Okay, so once we have mixed everything together, we're going to cover it with plastic wrap. And we're going to refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Alright guys, and after at least 30 minutes, we can now get ready for the fun part. And I'm just going to be garnishing before serving. Got some pecans, and if you have pistachios, go ahead and use that. Got some coconut flakes, some marshmallows, some pineapple, and of course some cherries. And just like that, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. It's so delicious, so perfect for this time of year. And of course, if you don't know what to take, to your gathering, this is honestly the perfect dessert. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So creamy, so fluffy. The different textures from the marshmallows, pecans, just everything is so perfect. Now, if you like my Christmas salad, you're most definitely going to love this one. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious pistachio and pineapple delight. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.